To rolling in the rolling pin in the spaghetti bread. We need making at the flipping. And now we're done. We need to start talking pasta in a touched full and to die in diet. Cut it. Put on a stand onto the spaghetti pasta, and now we're done. We need to put on the spaghetti on that. Start all it. Pin on the stand. Wait for a few minutes. Put in the butter onto that one. 7. Oil. Put in a gaggy hop into the fry onto the golden brown. Wash the fry in the water. Wait for a few minutes. Put on the oil in the water. Cut the marshmallow and now put in the marshmallow. Cut the mushrooms in the fry into the chicken on the frying golden brown too. Put in the water into the golden brown. Cool for the ground. It's a macking case. We'll put it wait for a minute into the golden brown for 500 degrees. Put in the spaghetti. Now put in the fry onto the golden brown. Fresh put the cooked pasta, and now we're done. All done.